Welcome to the last breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
You start by enabling Face ID at the project level so the system will let your app ask for biometric unlock. Open the target, switch to capabilities, toggle Face ID on, and confirm entitlements were added. Once done, add NS Face ID usage description to info. List explaining why you need Face ID. Also import local authentication and link the framework so you can call biometric APIs. This prepares the app to prompt the user securely. You will create an LA context and first ask, can evaluate policy for device owner authentication with biometrics. This verifies capability and enrollment. If true, check context. Biometry type equals Face ID, so the UI and messaging are correct. Then call evaluate policy with a concise reason string and handle success or LA error cases like not enrolled, locked out, or user cancel. Make sure to implement a secure fallback, such as a device passcode or app PIN. This ensures access when Face ID isn't available. You finish by testing on physical devices. Verify behavior when Face ID is enrolled, not enrolled, and when biometrics are locked out due to failed attempts. Make sure your privacy string appears and entitlements match the build you submit. Once functional, add secure storage for the auth state and minimal logging for failures. If something goes wrong, a key troubleshooting tip: check entitlements and info. List first, missing entitlement or usage string is the most common cause of silent Face ID failures.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.